Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I got to offer. My name is Gary Tyson. I am a comedian and writer, and I've been doing close-up sleight-of-hand magic for many years. And what I hope to bring to the table is, if you're looking to learn magic, there are so many avenues you can take online now. When I started, there were books and magic stores with people that also were interested in magic. Now you've got Chris Ramsey, you've got Alex Pandrea, you've got Alex Boyer, you've got the Pig Cake Guy. So many really good teachers of incredible sleight-of-hand magic. But I come from an era where I learned the difference between an amateur and a professional magician. I read this in a book somewhere, but it was really true. An amateur magician does different tricks for the same people, right? A professional magician does the same tricks for different people. So what I did is I developed a routine of 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 tricks that I did over and over and over again. I'm working in a restaurant, right? I would go up to a table, I would do 5, 6, 7 tricks, and then I would say thank you, and hopefully get a tip, and then go to the next table and do the same crap. So, I'm going to start with, and I will cover each move that I use, because quite honestly, in a lot of ways, I think the way I do it is easier than learning way more difficult stuff. Not that you shouldn't learn it. I learned so much from so many people, and I'm learning every day from Chris Ramsey, Alex Pandrea, Alex Boyer, all those guys. But the goal is entertain your audience. And if you can do that without learning all that crap, all the better. So, here's my basic opening routine with a deck of cards, okay? Alright, you take a deck of cards. They're nice and shuffled up. You can show the spectator, they're all different, blah, blah, blah. I bypass most of that crap because they don't really care. But I have them select a card. Pick a card, any card, does not matter. They go in, they pick a card, they look at it, and then you give them the option. You want to put it there, 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 wherever. They pick a spot, they put it back in the deck, and you then shuffle the cards up. Very simple. Make sure the cards are nice and mixed. Cards are mixed up. And then you explain this is the world's fastest card trick. All I did is I brought your card right to the top of the deck. There is your card, the Jack of Hearts. They say, no, it wasn't the Jack of Hearts. And you say, oh, what was your card? And they tell you, and you show them that now it is in fact on the top of the deck. Okay, so let's get into all of the moves that I used in order to pull off that quick little fastest card trick thing. First, you allow the spectator to remove any card. So they remove, say, that one, and they look at it. And you have them return it to the deck. And you give them options. You want to put it there, there, doesn't matter. Let's say they put it there. And now what you do is you keep a finger break, a pinky break, above that card. Not below. Okay? Then, this is the simplest way to do a pass. I don't understand why more people don't promote this. So now you've got a finger break, right, between the top half of the deck and the bottom half, which has their card. Then you take the top half of the deck and you shuffle it off to the bottom. It looks natural. It's just a regular shuffle. You can do it again. You shuffle, a Hindu shuffle, finger break above the top card, shuffle off, and their card is now still on the top of the deck. Very simple. Then you say, all I did was I brought your card to the top of the deck. Now while you do that, you take that card off, which is their card, but you slide the second card off to get a finger break below that card. Then you put this card on top, and now you do a double lift, either like that, or what I like to do is I like to do like that, because you can then snap it, and then you show them that their card was the 10 of hearts. And they say, no, it wasn't the 10 of hearts. You say, what was your card? And they tell you the ace of hearts, and there you go. Very quick, very simple, very pretty. Now let's go into setting up for that double lift. You take the top card off. Now, many methods show you that you double count 2 cards with your thumb to set it up. You do, you count 2 cards that way. I'm going to screw that up, guaranteed. Take the top card off. While you're taking the top card off and bring the attention to that card, you slide the next card over a little and get a finger break below it. It's not that hard. It's very simple. Slide it over, get a finger break, bring that card back, and then do a double lift. I like to do it like that because then you can snap the card, put it back on the deck. Now, you slide it over. You slide 2 cards over, and you pull that one back, and you show the top card as being the 10. You do this very quickly, but it looks good. Okay, so you say, okay, there it is, your card, the 10 of hearts. It looks good. And 90% of the time, no one will notice. You do that, 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 you do that. And there it is, your card, the 10 of hearts. No, it's not. It's the ace of hearts. Okay, there it is, the ace of hearts. And there you go. That's pretty much it. If there's anything I missed, feel free to leave comments below and I'll try to clarify. But this is a pretty simple routine and a great way to control a card without learning lots of difficult moves. Hope you like it. Hope to see you again.